8:38 right now, and it's time to get organized. Not just because it's 8:38, but because we're in a new year. With 2022 is in the rear view, so now is the perfect time to clean out that closet.
A fashion reset can be a great way to get organized, clear the clutter, welcome in a new year. Joining us in studio with some tips and tricks is local style advisor Cristina. Always good to have you in.
Thank you.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
I feel like this is kind of the time where I'm like, okay, new year, new me. I'm gonna clean it all out. I'm gonna get organized.
Yes.
And it's daunting.
Yes, it is. It's very overwhelming because there's so many questions of like, should I keep it because,
Right.
or I don't want to get rid of it because.
You need a plan.
Yeah, you need a plan. And first of all, you need to know and assess yourself first before you assess your closet.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
You need to know what your lifestyle is like. Because you need to know what kind of clothes to get for that lifestyle that you have.
Yeah.
That makes
It's
sense.
a good place to start.
It's a good place
think
to
about
start.
what you want to be before you get overwhelmed with everything that's already in there.
Exactly, because
Yeah.
if you don't know what you want to be or what you want to portray or anything like that, and you go shopping, you get overwhelmed by all the selections that are out there, especially for females.
Yeah.
You know?
So I usually keep all of my brown paper bags under my sink. You have them hanging on this coat rack. What are you doing with these?
I do. Because I always tell my clients, do 3 piles, right? When you're doing your closet, do a donate pile.
Okay.
And I usually say, use brown paper bags.
I'll be the donate. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we have recycle and trash, right?
Here,
There you
I
go,
can
Travis.
be recycled trash.
Okay.
Yeah. And then alterations.
Okay.
Okay, so what donate is anything that you don't want anymore,
Yeah.
that doesn't suit you, doesn't fit, it's not showing your personality,
Yeah.
but it's still in good condition that it can be passed on.
Somebody
Maybe it
else can
still
use
has
that.
the tags on it.
Well, you know what? With that, we can recycle or
okay.
consign.
Yeah.
Right?
That's a good way too.
Yeah, yeah. And then trash, I just say because there's just certain pieces you can't really
Yeah.
recycle,
Yeah.
right? And there's a lot of stores are now getting into the whole bandwagon of we recycle, right? H&M recycles almost anything that's fabric. So I usually go with the brown paper bag
That's great.
into H&M and they give me a coupon.
Okay.
Oh, wow. So they
Okay.
give you a coupon.
Yeah.
Like, so it's a little incentive.
A
to
little
do that as
incentive to
well.
kind of motivate you, right? So I take like my stained sheets,
Yeah.
pillowcases, things that I can't donate because they're
Right.
nuts, and then
That makes
like
sense.
a coupon.
I
That
like
makes
that.
sense.
And then
Yeah.
alterations for the stuff you know you want to wear again.
yes, and it's just a little too big. The strap,
Yeah.
here, there, just little minor adjustments.
Worth that investment. Okay.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So
we like that.
That's
so we've
one thing.
got
that
our
we can always
bags
Let's say
do.
we've got our plan in place
We got
now.
our plan, yeah.
And so you got the hangers. Now you talk about
got
my
the hangers,
I don't know
yeah.
if this is a guy thing or not, but I have so many hangers that a lot of them are empty. It's disorganized. They're everywhere. What is your solution to solving this problem?
Well, my thing is, first, I think you should have all the same hangers in your closet to
Yes.
make it look more
a little more
coordinated,
organized.
more organized, not so chaos.
Uh-huh.
Because if you have hangers that are like, you got the dry cleaner hanger, you got the plastic hanger, you got that hanger, you got the
Yes.
store hanger, it's looking chaotic in there.
It's a chaotic
right?
closet. I can admit that. Yeah.
But
But
these
just
are my
switching it just to even plastic
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
make it all uniform, it makes it so much pleasing to the eye.
I do love these felt hangers though. You can get them in like big packs. I'll buy them at like Home Goods or TJ
Yes.
Maxx and stuff too. And the clothes don't slip off these hangers.
They don't.
You can fit so much more in your closet.
Exactly, and they come in different colors.
Yeah.
So this is black ones are mine, the creams are my daughter's,
Oh, there
my
you
grays are my
go.
husband's.
Oh,
like that
wow.
idea.
That's so smart.
Color-coded.
coordinated.
Color coordinated, yeah. And then, just for the special pieces, like suit pieces, we got
Right.
those special hangers for those,
Right.
right? And, for the jackets and stuff like that.
Worth the sturdy hanger.
Yes.
Yes.
No doubt.
And then
Yes.
let's say you're like a person that has a lot of jeans or a lot of, trousers or pants or leggings. These are great because you save some storage
They
room
are
in your
a
See,
closet.
it's a really, you have a few options here that are smart ways to save space by using
Right,
hangers.
right.
Correct, because you know what? We don't all have our own luxury walk-in closet, right?
Right.
Sometimes we have to rent and we can't do much, but we can work with what we have
Get that vertical
to
working
make
for you.
it, to make it, work for us.
Yeah. Same thing with like shoe boxes and sweater boxes and stuff too.
So we have this. This is very popular.
Yeah.
I see this
I
a
know,
lot.
I've never seen that before,
Really?
actually. Yeah.
It's an IKEA piece that I see in everybody's closet.
I have like a scarf holder like that.
Yeah, and so you can use it for scarves. You can use it for your, if you have a lot of workout or leggings.
That's a good idea. I
you
never
know?
thought about that. Leggings,
Yeah.
stuff that doesn't like necessarily need to stay wrinkle free.
Yeah, yeah, and then
the hook.
these are another great option.
Good belt
belts,
wrap.
Belts.
Yep.
and it's also for ties.
Oh,
Right?
Ooh.
You can do
Good
it for
idea.
scarves there as well.
I like that.
Just gave Travis a good
I
idea.
know, you did. That was a light bulb for me. That's good.
And then this is another great space saver. For example, let's say you have just t-shirts. You're a t-shirt person or you're a tank top person or something like it. In my case, I have a lot of black sleeveless, right? So I want to save space. This accommodates 6.
Okay.
And then you just put it down and it
Oh,
hangs
after
in your
you hang
closet.
them up, you let
After you hang them up, and then you know that all your
Wow.
blank sleeveless.
Perfect.
That is
Are there.
genius. I've
I
never
love
seen
that idea.
Japanese engineering.
Really?
That is so great.
That is genius.
Yeah, yeah. The Japanese just make really good trinkets. And
They're
like,
good at fitting a lot of style into little places.
in little places,
Yes.
exactly,
Yes.
exactly. This is another great vertical thing. A compartment. This was in 3. You can even buy bins that you can put in
Right.
here.
If you don't want to steal.
Yeah, and I like to roll my jeans and
Yeah.
put them in here. This is what I use this for. You can fold your sweaters, your t-shirts.
That's great.
Yeah.
Really? You can make it what
I
you
like
want.
I like
What
the
you
idea of
want.
putting clothes also in the
Yes,
shoe
this one's
organizer,
actually
too.
this one's called a shoe organizer, but we don't have to use it for shoe.
And
Right.
real
Use
quick,
it
we're
for-
running short on time though. I wanted to make sure that you talked about this because you showed me this trick and I was like, this is genius.
Oh, yes, the closet tips. So
Yes.
one of the things that we can do, if you don't want to audit your closet, reverse your hangers, right? Leave them like that for 3 months.
Take everything out and put it all in reverse.
All in reverse.
And then when you wear
When
it,
you wear it, put it back.
it goes back on
So
the
that way
normal
you see what you're actually
3
wearing
months
over the
afterwards.
course of
Exactly
3
what
months.
you
Yeah,
Then you can take full
see.
kind of
Yeah, and then the
reevaluate
next
and-
one is put a little ribbon
Oh,
at
yeah.
the beginning of like your closet,
Uh-huh.
right? And then
Once you wear something, move
once
it
you
to
wear
the
it,
other side.
move it to the other side.
I like that.
And then you can also assess everything that I've worn, everything I haven't
Right.
worn. That's just something very easy.
For
Yeah.
any way you use your closet, yeah, or you hang up a little card as like a little delineator.
Correct.
I just think that's such a smart way, and then you have no excuse of like, you haven't
I
worn this in a
actually
year.
don't wear this.
Get it out.
Yeah, if
Right.
you don't have the time to like
Yeah.
assess everything you have in your closet, this is 3 easy little things you can do.
That's
Yeah.
great. All right, before we let you go, I know we are running low on time, but you have a webinar coming up on the 22nd.
I
What are
do.
the details about that?
Closet clean out, and so I'm gonna show you how I do it. I'm gonna answer your questions of what to do.
There you
I
go.
love it. So if you've got your smartphone with you right now, you can scan that QR code on the screen real quick. That'll take you to the page with all the info. You can also follow Cristina on Instagram. She's at PDX Styling Services. We had a whole nother table of tips. We're gonna have you back. I love it. All of the clutter. We got to get it all cleaned out.
It was all
Christina,
over there.
Thanks so much. So great to
welcome.
get a little motivation going here to start the new year off on a clean foot.
Yes.
And yeah, have fun this January cleaning out that closet.
Yes, yes.
And of course, for more, you can follow Cristina on Instagram at PDX Styling Services.
All right.